There we go. That's a nice little bass. That's a little, ooh, that's a nice little bass. I wasn't even looking. It's a nice little mountain bass. Awesome. Here, let's get him back in this crystal clear water. Look at that beautiful little bass. Oh man. Here we go. Here's another one. Well, he's coming straight in. What's up, little guy? I will tell you what, these are some healthy fish in here. Coming out of here are some of the healthiest fish I've seen in Tennessee. We got the fat, the absolute little dump truck on this girl. She's got the little booty on her. There she goes. Okay, I didn't think I'd be able to get that all perfectly over there, but looks like it's... Oh, we got something. Oh, wow, we got a nice little bass. Oh, buddy, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I didn't want to drag you across the rocks like that. But that is a nice little bass. You're pulling out these nice little bass. I'm sorry, I kind of drug them across the rock there. I didn't really mean to. That is a nice little guy right there. And now we're gonna let this little guy go. Wow, beautiful bass. There he goes. Look, you can just watch him swim away. That's how clear this water is. Alright, well, I'm thinking something's got to be sitting in this pool. There we go. Oh, is that a smallie? That's a nice smallmouth. Look, that is a nice little smallmouth. Pop this trick worm out of him. Wow, look at that smallmouth. Now that's a good freaking fish right there. These fish have just lived their whole lives in these streams, so the amount of muscle they build up from just living in these streams and fighting these currents, it just makes them insane predators. Okay, so we're gonna throw right back in here, right into this wake of this confusion in this water. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. It's a nice little guy. There he is. Oh, is that a perch? Wow, that's a nice river perch. Look at the size of this perch. Beautiful little river perch here. Absolutely beautiful river perch. So we're gonna let this guy go. Talk about just a beautiful fish. Deep in these mountains. Look at him sitting down there.